What's up, guys? It's your girl Mila B. So today I got mail. I got the Katy Perry perfume. This is so cute. It's Katy Perry's Indi Perfume. Look, cute. Now, someone I follow said that she's really not into perfumes, but she said this was very subtle. Now, me personally, I love smells, preferably lotions, candles. I'm not a big spray person, but I do like sprays. It's not my first choice, but it's not something that I steer away from either. But I do have an issue with a spray that is super strong. But here is the Influenster card from Katy Perry. You can see that, you guys. Yeah. Boom. So it says, introducing a scent by Katy Perry. Katy Perry's Indi is inspired by the one thing we all have in common, our individuality. Tell us what makes you Indi and join the celebration of being different together. Now, I absolutely love this because if you know me, you know I love making the word individual into a verb. So individualistic, individualing. And that's basically someone that does have their own style and is unique in their own special way. So I do like that about the spray. It's wrapped up. But here it is. Dun, 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 dun. Katy Perry Indi. So this bottle is really cute. On the side, it says Katy Perry Indi. And if you turn to the front, it says Indi. You see it on the cap. And I don't really know if you can see it on the bottle. It's all good. I'm going to put a picture of it. And if you follow me on Instagram at @LifeOfMilaB, there'll be a picture of her bottle and what it looks like. So I do like it. It's a really nice bottle. Pop top. Now, as soon as I pop the top, most sprays are kind of strong. This one's not that strong. Let's spray it. I like it. I like it a lot. I get a feel of one of those boutiques. When I smell this, I feel as if I'm walking into a rustic type boutique. And as soon as I sprayed it, it was strong, but now that it's just been sitting right here on my wrist for a little bit, it smells good. This is something that I would definitely try. It was something I would pull out for a Christmas party or a party in general. I like it. I definitely will like to try it on before I go to a party and afterwards to see, because you know some perfumes, they kind of shift on smells. So you can start off by smelling one way and then at the end of the night you smell a different way. So that would be my only concern. But other than that, this perfume is very light. It smells good, guys. So I will definitely write a review about it. But yes, Katy Perry's Indi, definitely try it. And stay tuned for my opinion. That will be on Instagram. Thank you, Influenster, for sending me my Vox box. I would definitely check it in. And thank you, Katy Perry, for partnering with Influencer. This video is not an ad, nothing like that. I'm just testing this product complimentary from Influencer. So yes, for all my new subscribers out there, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe and tell your friends about me. For all my returning subscribers, you already know what to do. Like, share, and comment. And until next time, guys, bye.